Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to redeem your Blizzard gift card online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and then type in blizzard.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official website of Blizzard. Make sure to log into your account if necessary. Once you are logged into the account, mouse over to your profile picture at the top right hand corner and click on account setting. Now, inside your account overview page, you can easily redeem your gift card. Simply go ahead and enter the redemption code available at the back of your Blizzard gift card and make sure to type it in exactly as it appears in it. Finally, click on the redeem code button in order to redeem your Blizzard gift card within a few minutes. Follow any additional instructions to complete the redemption process and you will be able to complete your redemption for Blizzard. That's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.